Good morning students, welcome to the session on Excel Foundation. In our today's session we are going to see how we will move our table. Already you people will be aware of how we will be moving the content in our Excel sheet, but here we are talking about the table. Okay, if the table of content has to be moved from one place to other place, then how it will be done, that we are going to see in our today's session, I can say. Already I told you people how the table will be created, how the table styles will be applied, how the new table styles can be created, and in our last session we have seen how we will be giving the styles and how we will be applying it. Okay, in our today's session we will be moving the table. We will be moving the table. How we will move the table and how we will be placing the table, that we are going to see in our today's session. But before that I want to discuss one more time that how we are going to create the table, and from the starting step onwards we will be discussing how we will move the table. Okay, now in order to move the table you need to create the table first. You can create the table in two ways: by having the empty sheet you can create, or else by having the columns and rows you can create, or else I can say range of values can be taken into the table, I can say. Okay, then say that if I am creating this table, say suppose if I am creating table for employee, then I will be creating like this: employee ID. Okay, observe on the screen now. In the first cell I have kept the information like employee ID, employee name, and then employee salary. Salary will be given like this. Say suppose gross salary and HRA and then DA and then commission. Okay, these things will be there. When you are working, you people will be getting this. Or else if someone is employed in your family, then you can easily understand what is the gross salary, what is HRA, what is DA. Gross salary is the basic salary, I can say. Okay, sorry, in place of gross salary just take it as a basic salary. Okay, you people will be having the basic salary. Mean to say original salary is that. Okay, HRA is house rental allowances and draft allowances, and if you are working in marketing, then you people will be having the commission. Okay, you need to add all these things in order to get the total amount. Then I will take a column called total. Like this you people will be having some information. Then I will be taking one value. See, by using the mouse I am entering the values, and by using the keyboard I am entering the alphabets. Okay, you can move anywhere in the sheet by using the mouse, but in order to enter the data I am using what? My keyboard. And 1 and 2. Say consider if I want to give the values like 1001, then if I want to enter the employee ID 2 as 1002, then if I want to enter 1003, 1004, then no need to enter manually. Just select these two cells and drag it, then automatically 1003 is appearing on the screen and automatically 1004 will appear. Like this you can drag and drop until what you want to extend the table. Just I want to make one more row. Just you need to come on to the corner of your column and plus symbol will appear like this. Then hold your left button of your mouse and just drag the column. Okay, and then I am giving the names like Radha and Ram and Azhar. Like this if I am giving the names, then I am entering some salary details like 5,000, then 6,000, then 8,000. Okay, say suppose house rental allowances are like this: 2,000 and some 1,500 and some 2,000 again, and then I'm having DA like 200 and 250 and then 200. Okay, like this if I'm having the details, if the commission is like this 100 rupees and 150 rupees and then 110 rupees, like this if I am having this kind of information, then if I want to find the total, then directly I can find the total by using the summation symbol in your home tab that you already know. Just I am directly doing it. Just hit enter so that you people will be getting the total amount. Just drag and drop for the remaining rows. So this is my range of information, where I am having the range of information. This I want to convert into my table. Just you need to select, place your cursor on the first cell of your table and just hold your left button and drag that, select the table. Okay, select the range of values and then go for insert tab and then click on table option. There you people can see your range. If you want to extend them, you can extend, but see here you need to check the box like my table has headers, then only your first row will be considered as the header, else it will also be considered as the values. Okay, click on OK. Now the today's session, that is moving the table. Okay, we won't go for styles, already we have done with that, right? When I'm in a table, when I'm going for the corner of my table, I can see a 4 arrow symbol. Then just hold your left button on your mouse and just drag it. Okay, wherever you want to have your table now, then just leave there your left button, so that your table will be moved from that particular original location to the current location, like this. Okay, I hope it is clear. One more time I will show you people. When I am in a table, when I am going for the corner of your tables, wherever you want to go, you can go, right? In this corner or it's in this corner, you can go for any corners. When I am placing my cursor at this particular point, I will be shown with the 4 arrow marks, then hold the left button and drag the full content of your table, then just leave wherever you want in the worksheet. Then automatically your table will be moved from one location to other location. This is the way how we will be moving the table. Okay, and one more way where we can move the table is just select the table. Okay, be in your table and hold Ctrl A. Press Ctrl A so that your complete table will be selected. Just press Ctrl X, that is your cut. Okay, just place the cursor where you want to paste your table, then go for Ctrl V. Automatically your table content will be moved from the original location to the desired location. Okay, just I will go for Ctrl Z, then I will select this complete table and I will go for Ctrl X. Okay, then I will place my cursor here and I will go for Ctrl V. See, before to this, it has just selected the content of your table. Now I have selected complete table now. I will show you again. Okay, just click from your first cell to last cell, and after the selection, just go for Ctrl X, that is cut. Okay, and after that, place your cursor where you want to have your table, then Ctrl V. Ctrl X is for cut, Ctrl V is for paste. I hope it is clear how you are moving the content of your cell. If you are using copy, then it will just copy the content, I can say. Okay, just select this and Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Like this, we will be having a copy of table. Okay, this is how we will be using the shortcuts in order to move the table content from one cell to other cells. Okay, and you can modify the content wherever you want in the worksheet, or else you can go for some other worksheets also. Just I will do the undo and say, suppose if I am selecting this particular table and I am converting this into my table, click on OK, and when I have selected this part, I will go for Ctrl X and I will go for one more sheet and I will go for Ctrl V. Like this also you can move your content from sheet 1 to sheet 4 or sheet 3 to sheet 4. Like this, we will be moving the content of your one worksheet to other worksheet. I hope it is clear. Why? Because it is a simple option that we have seen in the earlier sessions, that is your cut, copy, paste. Okay, I hope it will be clear to you people. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.